guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing the AutoGlym Rapid Detailer. So I've seen a good few videos on this, and it looks pretty decent, to be fair. And with the AutoGlym brand, like, we've done quite a few of their products, and well, they go down well with you guys, and we quite enjoy trying them out, because yeah, it's probably one of the biggest sort of like car valeting detailing brands that everyone knows, not just like the car valeters or the people who are into it. Yeah, pretty much everyone knows sort of like AutoGlym. So yeah, it's a good video for everyone, because yeah, these actually get used by everyone really, and I'd like to think that at least most people, 99% of everyone, 99% of people have used at least one AutoGlym brand. Yeah, that's just, I don't know. If you've cleaned a car, you probably used an AutoGlym product. So let's get back to the product. So Rapid Detailer, what is it? So from reading this is a quick detailer. So it says quickly refreshes shine on all exterior surfaces and acts as a clay lube. So just reading the front, that looks like, well, it reads as it's a quick detailer and it doubles up as a clay lube. So today I'm going to try out the quick detailer side of things. So I've just washed the car. So yeah, let's go on to the instructions and see what we have to do. So just reading the back, used at some of the world's most exclusive automotive events, Rapid Detailer removes light, dirt and fingerprints. It is a superior maintenance product for all exterior surfaces, including paintwork, rubber, plastic, chrome, carbon fibre and glass. It can be used as a clay lubricant as well. So just reading that before we got onto the instructions, you can use this on glass as well, which is pretty cool. Some quick detailers it basically smears on the glass, but yeah, we'll see how well this performs on the glass. Not forgetting though, this car has got the glass sealant on that I reviewed a few weeks ago. So yeah, I don't know how that will react with the sealant, but yeah, we'll be trying it on the glass as well as the paintwork. So how to use: shake well and spray onto cool surfaces. So the car is in some shade, and yeah, we're all ready to go. So spray over the paintwork using a high-tech finishing cloth, turning it regularly and continue buffing it to a shine. And then number 3, enjoy the rich, universal, loved fragrance. So that means, well, you basically spray it on and then buff it off, and yeah, it should bring back a shine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this side panel, like all this side, and then yeah, we'll take it into the sun and see if there's any marks, or yes, just see how it looks really. And we'll try the glass on here as well. There are some watermarks from where I've washed it, but hopefully it will get rid of it. So let's get down to spraying it on, see how it smells, see how it sort of like the application process works, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so that's this panel sort of done. It is really quick to sort of apply and buff off. It comes off quite easy, and the smell, it's sort of like I'd describe it as a fruity smell, so it is quite nice. But yeah, the application process so far is really easy. I've applied it to the glass as well, and it just came off as easy as it did on the paintwork, so that's a win-win really. Okay, so you've just seen the application process of the Rapid Detailer, and yeah, it's quite a nice process of applying it. It comes off fairly easy. You don't need to do much buffing. The only thing I would say is if you're going to use it on the glass, which I'll show you a picture of in a minute, just make sure you get a clean dry microfiber after you've gone over it and just buff the glass up, because if not it does sort of like mark a little bit if your cloth's a bit damp. But that's the only really bad thing I'd say about it. What I'll do now is I'll put some shots up of the car in the sun just so you can see what it looks like. So as you can see, looks nice and glossy, really shiny, looks really clean actually. And then now I'll just put a few pictures up. I don't know whether it turns out on camera, but yeah, this is of sort of like the glass before I wiped it over. So you can see there's a bit of smudging, but yeah, after wiping it over, it was fine. So yeah, one tip if you're going to use this on glass, just make sure you go over with a dry microfiber. Other than that, yeah, it was, well, it lives up to its name, Rapid Detailer. It didn't take that long to do half of this car. I know it's a small car, but yeah, it didn't take too long. Yeah, it was nice and easy to use. So these products I always find they're sort of like user friendly for everyone, so you don't have to be a professional to use them. Like anyone can use them, which is good, and the instructions are nice and easy. It tells you what you can use it on, and most of the time if you can't use it on something, it tells you as well, so that is good. So the price of this, at Halfords it's around £11. You can pick it up cheaper elsewhere if you shop about, so yeah, it depends whether you want to go in and fetch it, or you want to order it off the website, but yeah, that's roughly around the price that it is, around £11. So it's not too bad. I think this is, yeah, this is 500ml, so £11 for that. It's nice and easy to use, and yeah, if you have sort of like two cloths as well as using it on the glass, it brings your car up to a nice shine, and it does take those sort of like watermarks and slight dirt off as well. So if you want to check this out, I'll put a link below, and I'll try and link all the other AutoGlym videos that we've done, because yeah, they're good to see, and these products actually work. So that's the thing about AutoGlym, you rarely get a product that doesn't actually work with them. So yeah, if you do want us to try any other AutoGlym products, let us know, and yeah, we'll try our best to get hold of them. And if you have any comments on this product or any other videos, yeah, just let us know. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you again for another video in about a week's time. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!